Hi everyone, Kristin with FSG here, bringing you the last video in our Financial Empowerment for Women video series. Today we're going to discuss money and marriage. It is no secret that many marriages fail due to financial problems. Money causes a lot of stress between couples. It really does, but there are plenty of ways, guys, to prevent money from deteriorating your marriage. Make sure you're getting on the same page with your significant other right away. You need to disclose your financial situation. This can be your assets, your liabilities, your goals, both in the short term and in the long term. And make sure that you're being honest and transparent when you have this conversation with your loved one. You guys are going to need to work together in order to make your finances work. Next, make sure that you are working together to determine a budget that is workable for your family. There's plenty of tools out there that you can use. For instance, Mint is one of them that you can find online. It's a free budgeting tool. There's also plenty of spreadsheet templates and other tools like that. Work with your spouse and make sure that your goals are in alignment with each other's. And speaking of goals, as time goes on, make sure that you are taking time to check in periodically. Over time, life changes, and the big problem here is that we often don't take the time out to sit down and reevaluate our situation. Something like, let's say, purchasing a cabin up north for retirement could have been very important last year, but maybe that takes the back burner now in your current financial picture. Maybe your mind's changed and it's just not something that you're interested in anymore. Consistently reevaluate your picture and make sure that you're on the same page going forward. Also, make sure you're giving each other autonomy in your budget. Nobody wants every expense micromanaged. Make sure that there's room in your budget for some fun money, as I like to call it. A little bit of money for each of you to have so that you can purchase things that are important to you as an individual. Big problem that we run into is financial infidelity. Try to avoid this. Simply, that means keeping financial secrets from your significant other. This can be hidden accounts or purchases that are concealed. Doing things like this basically leads to trust issues. Back to that honesty and transparency, make sure that's there. Consider working with a financial planner. Financial planner can bring you guys together so that everybody's on the same page with their goals and establish a retirement plan that works for both of you. Feel free to reach out to us at any time if we can help you with that. We would love to hear from you here at FSG. Thank you.